So in this lecture, we will just repeat some anatomy of a topical map one more time. We have actually five concepts here. One of them is central entity, which is appearing in all the article and sidewide. And other one is central search intent. Again, it will be appearing in all of the websites. And these two will be creating the sidewide engrams and sidewide phrases. These consistent phrases and consistent topicality will be actually helping search engine understand what is the main topic of this website. In a future lecture, we will talk about what are the other methods that reflect the main topic of the website. I also talk about that everything in a topical map has not a quality, something that I call as the quality node. These quality nodes, they should appear in your homepage and they will be providing actual search engine a better impression, because when they see the really quality articles in a closer way to your homepage, they will try to go deeper for further cross. And usually we give these articles at the beginning, and usually they are from course section of topical map. Actually, it does not come from your source context, but it's coming from your actual central entity and a part of the central search intent. The core section of the topical map is directly from monetization. Here we also have some examples. In the future, we see more. If your source context is selling diet program, the central entity is wellness. The central search intent will be personal development and lifestyle and improvement. You need to be actually argument the context as much as you can do. For example, if you talk about YouTube SEO, basically YouTube SEO will be connected with the other types of SEO and other types of videos, portal, video creation, video editing, and YouTube channel management and the ranking on YouTube. But if you talk about actually making money online, in this case it will be about business management, entrepreneurship, online entrepreneurship. Making money online plus YouTube channel ownership will be part of this process, but you will not go that much deep this time, and you will need to mention YouTube together with the other types of alternative entities from the same type. It might be Amazon, it might be Vimo, it might be something else like TikTok, or it might be influencer market. And if you look at the connections here too, you will realize that outer section of the topical map, actually yes, it is for the attributes of the central entity, but we have here religion, climate, politics, geography, crime rate. But you know how we connect these things to the visa? For example, here we have language schools in Germany. It is connected to our Germany language visa or language learning visa. When it comes to the language, it is connected to the Germany culture, and Germany culture will be connected to the actual culture with the one more time. Then also we have politics, climates, or the religion, or singers and literature. These are already under the culture. At the same time, architecture is there too. When it comes to the job seeking or job working, immigration or living in Germany, these things will be connected to the Germany economy or blue card. At the same time, crime rate and life in Germany, the most important section of the other. Topical map will be coming from the most important attribute. I call this actual attribute and the context hierarchy, and you will need to put the most important attribute to the top so that you can actually create a higher element. And here they mention the sub-site retrieval and topic distillation, but they said they will keep it practical in the next lecture. So since we will be seeing some other example too, you will get the idea better from different projects as well. All this outer section is connected to the core, and these things will be connected to each other because according to the visa type, our visa purpose, and the thing that we should be knowing, they will be changing as well. Drinks and cuisine will be about traveling. The flag again will be about political, culture, and history at the same time, and history will be connected to the culture one more time. And another important thing here is the population, which will be connected to the culture and also the demographic. And one other important thing here is population will be connected to the culture and also demographic and language. For example, if you talk about languages is also under the politics, and we will talk about the spoken languages in Germany, which is about. Then we will talk about actual demographics in the Germany. Then all these things connected to each other, and the specific part is connected to the specific part. And according to the most important visa type, you will need to change the order of these so that you can increase and consolidate or shape overall semantic content network to create a better relevance for a certain type of targeted section. In the next lecture, we will talk about title tags and what kind of methodologies we have used here.